Are you tired of store-bought frozen desserts that never quite satisfy your cravings? Have you ever dreamt of concocting the perfect ice cream, sorbet, or gelato from the comfort of your home? Well, your dessert dreams are about to come true with the Ninja Creami ice cream maker. In this in-depth review, we'll dive into what makes this innovative appliance a must-have for anyone who loves the cool sweetness of frozen treats. Your culinary playground. The Ninja Creami is a game-changer in the world of frozen dessert makers. It's a versatile marvel that allows you to transform almost anything into ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. The key is customization. With the Ninja Creami, you wield the power to craft frozen treats that align with your unique dietary preferences. Whether you're after decadent gelato or health-conscious options like low-sugar, keto, or dairy-free delights, this machine empowers you to create something as unique as you are. Mix-ins galore. One of the standout features of the Ninja Creami is the ability to customize your frozen treats with mix-ins. Love a touch of chocolate in your ice cream, a crunch of nuts, the sweet delight of candy, or the tangy burst of fruit. Whatever your palate desires, you can personalize any creamy treat with your favorite ingredients. No more settling for store-bought flavors that don't quite hit the mark. With the Ninja Creami, your dessert dreams take center stage. 7 one-touch programs. The Ninja Creami is designed for simplicity and convenience. With 7 one-touch programs, the machine takes the guesswork out of dessert creation. These programs are thoughtfully engineered to determine the optimal combination of speed, pressure, and time needed to transform your frozen pint into the dessert of your choice. The programs include options like ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in. Each selection ensures a hassle-free and delicious outcome. Effortless dessert creation. Making your dream dessert is a breeze with the Ninja Creami. The process is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Start by prepping your base, then allow it to freeze overnight. Once it's perfectly frozen, you can begin the processing phase. In just a few short moments, you'll have a delightful frozen treat ready to enjoy. But what if you prefer a softer and creamier texture? The Ninja Creami has you covered with its respin function, allowing you to fine-tune your dessert's consistency. Compatibility and technology. The Ninja Creami comes with innovative Creamify technology. This groundbreaking feature breaks down uniform frozen blocks into an incredibly smooth and creamy texture, ensuring that your desserts are free from ice crystals and other unwanted imperfections. This technology is your ticket to consistently velvety frozen creations. Easy cleanup. After indulging in your homemade delights, you'll be pleased to know that the cleanup is a breeze. The containers, lids, and paddle are all top-rack dishwasher safe, allowing you to enjoy your dessert without the worry of a tedious cleanup process. What's in the box? Your purchase of the Ninja Creami ice cream maker includes the following: motor base with 7 one-touch programs, 16-ounce pints with storage lids, creamerizer paddle, outer bowl and lid. In conclusion, the Ninja Creami ice cream maker is your gateway to a world of frozen delights that you can customize to your heart's content. With its versatility, one-touch programs, mix-in options, and Creamify technology, it empowers you to create desserts that cater to your unique preferences. Say goodbye to store-bought limitations and hello to culinary creativity. The Ninja Creami ice cream maker is your key to a universe of frozen possibilities. Don't miss the chance to transform your kitchen into a dessert wonderland, one spoonful at a time. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.